DKDYNAMICS presents police flashing light and automatic solar-powered street light.
Hello friends, welcome to DKDYNAMICS. So friends, we all are having vehicles like bicycle, car, scooty or bike. And friends, as we are kids, we are always searching for the new equipments to modify our scooty, bikes and bicycles. So friends, as a children, I was always having a fantasy to modify my bicycle. So friends, the various kinds of lights are available in the market, which are very costly and also consumes more power. So friends, my father gifted me a bicycle on my 11th birthday, and friends, I love that cycle very much, and I always try to modify and decorate that cycles using some stickers, and I also use the blinking LEDs. So these blinking LEDs usually blink at night when I am riding the bicycle, and my friends were very curious to know about these blinking LEDs. So friends, are you searching for these types of lights for modifying your cars, bicycles as well as the scooty? So friends, here I have searched the circuit of the police escort flashlight, and we can fit this circuit in a bicycle, car, scooter as well as in the bike. So friends, this circuit is made up of some very easily available components. We require some parts for making this flash LED. So friends, first of all we have to require the PCB, then transistors, then capacitors, variable resistance, 555 timer IC, then counter IC, and then some resistances and diodes, and then 24 LEDs, 12 blue and 12 red. So friends, making of this police escort flashing light is very easy by using some of the very easily available components. So friends, here is our PCB and we are having all the components here. And friends, the position of all the components are marked in this PCB, and we have to just fit these components in this PCB, and we have to solder it from the green side. And friends, I have already made police escort flashing light. Here it is. So friends, here I have fitted the 2 transistors, here I have fitted capacitors, here 12 LEDs of red and here 12 LEDs of blue, and here is the variable resistance by which we can change the frequency of the light. So friends, now I am going to demonstrate you that how this police escort flashing light works. So friends, we just have to connect the battery. So friends, this is the police escort flashing light, and friends, we can change the frequency of the light by changing the variable resistance. If we replace these blue LEDs by yellow LEDs, then this blinking LED is going to work as anti-fog light, thus preventing the accidents. So friends, I think that you are going to make this police escort flashing light for your car, scooty and bicycle, and you are going to have fun with that. So friends, our next project is automatic solar powered street light. So friends, generally we have seen that most of the lights are left on during the day, due to which a lot of wastage of the electrical energy takes place, and we have to pay the bill for the light which we are not using. So friends, I think of developing a light which automatically turns off during the daytime and turns automatically on during the night time. So friends, I have made this automatic powered street light. It is very simple and easy to construct. So friends, for making this street light, we require solar panel of 4.5 volt. Then we have voltage regulator IC, then variable resistance, transistor, and the LDR. And friends, here we have connected a 9 volt battery. Instead of 9 volt battery, we can use a rechargeable battery. When the light falls on the LDR, the transistor T1 is on, which turn off the transistor T2, which does not let the light to open. And friends, when the light intensity on the LDR decreases, the transistor T1 becomes off and T2 becomes on, and the light turns on. So friends, now I'm going to demonstrate you that how this automatic powered street light works. Solar powered automatic light. And friends, for this we are using the solar power, so we don't have to pay any bill for using the electricity. So friends, this solar power light is going to save the electricity, as well as it is efficient and using the solar power. So friends, we can use this automatic solar powered light in our gardens, in our porch. And friends, during the night the driver is not able to see the road signboards clearly. So friends, we can place this light there so that the signboards are on or lightened during the night time. So friends, I think that you are going to make these projects for your science exhibition. You are going to win the prize. So friends, if you have any query regarding these projects, you can mail us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com, and you can also buy these projects from our Facebook shop. And friends, I am coming with some more new and fantastic videos. Till then, thank you, goodbye. And friends, please share and subscribe my channel.